Yo, what's up, my people? This is Jay again, guys. So today is a Sunday. Before we approach Monday, let's check what you can do with BTC USD. So, the people, let's just go to 15 minutes. I want to show you what we're going to work on. As you can see, this uptrend one with 15 minutes, we have lost it. And secondly, this is the zone that we were laying on and it's been broken. I'm talking about this, right? So now, hear me nicely and see what we're going to do. Since price have managed to break down and created this resistance, this is the candle that we were waiting for to break the previous order, which is this one. As you can see, it's being broken now. So this for 15-minute time frame, let's just go to 4 hours and see what 4 hours is talking about. Maybe you can get something from there. Um, as you can see, the chart is clear and clean. You know, this data doesn't mean that BTC have changed direction. Everyone knows that it's an uptrend, strong uptrend in the biggest time frame. So here is our 4 hours time frame, if you can see it clearly, right? Which means BTC is trying to come down and set support and go back up. But here's the thing that we're going to look into. Check to this candle and see exactly that BTC didn't manage to break down. So which means BTC have managed to break previous zone, which was this one, and you can see now here it managed to break now the candle that have started below of the zone. This is the reason why I want to sell. Secondly, you can just use 1 hour time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and see what 1 hour time frame is showing us. 1 hour time frame, I start it from here myself. I started from here. You may have your own way to draw this, but this is my way I draw trend line. So we are going to use also this zone, right? We're going to use this zone from previous year. You can see that the strong zone that market has been scared of, it managed to go up and break it. So now after breaking it, check what happened. It comes back down and breaks it and went to retest. Now is moving below this zone that we call it strong zone, you know. And if we will just draw down trend line, you will have one, right? You will have one. So what I'm talking about is not that BTC might manage to break here. I'm not sure that can reach this price, but what I know is that we are going to sell it for now, and then we wait for our profit, then we just go out. So this was just 1 hour time frame. Let's check what Termin says. Termin say that we are doing something correct. If I will draw a trend line like this, I will be lying to you. This can lie to you, you know, because trend line is coming from all over. You can see where it is. This is a trend line. Yes, this type of trend line can just help you, but this doesn't confirm a big deal, right? What you can lay on was this zone. So since this zone was broken, then we are going down. This trend line, this downtrend is clear and clean that everyone can see it. So that is where I said when it goes to 15 minutes that we need to check this zone. Let me zoom, then you can see. What I wanted you to check was a break of this candle. And now you can see that's been it's been the candle have been broken, but as soon as it managed to break it, now you can see that is going back, which means it's rejecting. So now what I'm expecting is after this rejection, it's going to create another candle, which is the reason why I want to state. I'm sure that I'm going to go in. I mean this, um, and I'm sure things will go okay. So now, here's my account of 1000. Doesn't have to match this account here. What I will just go ahead of is to just sell BTC. So in this case, I'm going to use, let me check how much I may use. I will use 0 comma 50, 0.15, yeah, not 50, 15, and sell BTC. I'm sure since it did that rejection, it made me things easy because I'm going to fall down with it. I'm going with it, and I'm sure that if nothing happens beside what I'm talking about, or beside what I expected, then I'm sure that this account can be doubled. So my account is telling me that I don't have much, just to keep on opening positions according to leverage that I'm using. But this is enough, no problem. Let's wait and see what is going to be next. What I'm sure about is that whatever that I'm going to make is not less than 500 USD before we approach a Monday and start to trade together. So let me remind you that tomorrow, Monday, we're going to start 10 challenge weeks. This will be the 10th challenge week where we're going to challenge ourselves from VIP group in our VIP group. So from there, we'll be trading 3 to 4 signals there, and we want to see how far we can go every week, depositing $50. Then our target must be 1,000 to take it to 1,000 weekly. So which means someone who will have 500 will be able to take it to 10,000. So we are starting it from tomorrow. If you want to join us, make sure you just book your seat, then you can start with that. So my people, enjoy your weekend. Let me wait and see what's gonna be next. Then we'll keep on sharing this knowledge together. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up, my people? This checking here, guys. This is another beautiful morning. It's a Monday morning where we are going to start 10th challenge week. So before we start that, let's talk about our BTC yesterday. As you remember, we just sold it on this candle when it was breaking this candle. So we sold it. You can see it went down, and went back to test the previous where it breaks from, and from there it drops. It managed to hit our first TP and second TP, but it was during the night. I was sleeping. I couldn't manage to see what was going on. What I believed is that BTC was supposed to go down, and I was supposed to close it on second TP because you can see where I'm at here. This is where exact. Told myself that once it's reached here, we close, but target was here. In case you can see this um, candle, you can see this bullish candle, it's rejected from this level and it went up. This is 4 hours time frame, and um let's check what is going on. As we're talking now, I have 916 dollars as profit, so which means this was 1,000 and something. And if you check their time frame, here is where we took our our entry from our direction from once price was uh, taking action on which candle was this candle, what this candle. So we sold from this candle. That's when we went to 4 hours and we analyzed, and we went to 1 hour. Then we took entry from 15-minute time frame. I hope you remember this. So as you can see now, I am holding a 900 here, $900, which is a good profit from 1,000. So what we do now is I'm not gonna keep on holding this because I don't know. I don't have a time to analyze this again. I would be busy with something else. Let me just close with this. Then go to find some other pairs to trade today. Because my target was not to hold it until today. It was to hold it yesterday and make 800 or 500. But market was so slowly since I said to myself that I will let it do whatever it wants since I confirmed the direction. So it comes evening, I checked it, I was in a debit profit of 35 per positions. I said, okay, let me let it go down. I just left it until the morning. I wake up. I realized that it reached my level and it went back. It's doing some adjustment. So, my people, let's enjoy our day today, where we're going to start a new day of this week. After NFP happens, market becomes stable, so we can trade peaceful. So enjoy your day. Let me see you other side in my Telegram group. Sharp.